Some of the common keyboard shortcuts for web browsing is discussed in this video. That is, if you press the Control key and N key, you can open a new browser window. And if you press the Control and W key at the same time, you can close the current tab or window. That is, if you want to open a new browser window, you must press this Control key and this N key, these two keys at the same time. Similarly, and you can close the current tab by pressing this Control key and W key, these two keys at the same time. So if you press this Control key and this T key, these two keys at the same time, you can open a new browser tab. This is the Control key, this is the Shift key, and this is the T key. So if you press these three keys, Control key, Shift key and T key, these three keys at the same time, you can reopen the last closed tab. And this is the Control key and this is the tab key. So if you press the Control key and the tab key at the same time, you can switch it to next tab. Or if you press the Control key, Shift key and tab key, these three keys at the same time, you can switch to the previous tab. For more, you can subscribe.